Welcome to 4751 West Bath Road in Perry. This is a wonderful 3-bedroom ranch home that sits on just over an acre. The lot has mature trees, it's surrounded by a wooded area, which gives this the perfect secluded and private yard. As you enter this home, you're welcomed into a foyer area with a good-sized closet. As you pass through the foyer, you're greeted into a completely open floor plan with cathedral ceilings and large windows. The kitchen appliances will stay, and the kitchen features good countertop space and cabinet storage. Just down the hall, there are 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. In addition to the 1,300 square feet on the main level, this home has an additional 470 square feet finished in the basement with a family room and private office space. Not to mention, there's lots of built-in storage. The backyard features a good-sized storage shed and a large deck off the dining room with plenty of room to relax and enjoy the wildlife. The deer and turkey are frequent visitors. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga, and I appreciate you watching this video with me today. If you'd like to see this home or have any questions, feel free to call or text me at 517-712-8009.